Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So on my last week wig of the week, I shared with you a no frontal no closure wig, and I shared color number 30, and I promised you I was going to share number 27 as well. So in today's video I'm going to try on the number 27, and just comment down below guys if you love the number 27 or number 30, or if you love both of them. Yeah, so this is number 27, just in case you want to make your own, you want to buy it, you want to make it for your client. It's number 27. And also if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll send them to you.